Well, my friends, this is the time I do like to share you one video of a case of a patient of allergic cough. Allergic cough. The cough is related with some allergens or allergic substances. Now, cough, cough is the most frequent symptoms of respiratory diseases and is caused by stimulation of sensory nerves in the mucosa of the pharynx or larynx or trachea or bronchi or even bronchioles of the lungs. So cough. It is the most common symptoms for which the patient seeks medical attention. It is a protective reflex that clears the airways of excessive secretion, foreign bodies and harmful environmental irritants. So cough. It may be divided into two groups, acute cough or chronic cough. When the cough lasts for few months or years, definitely the cough is due to some pathology or pathology oriented. Now this is a gentleman, age about 50 years, has come from Bangalore only for treating this cough, for which he is very annoying and disturbing, cumbersome for last 2 years. So, chronic cough for last 2 years. Mr. Amit, you are coming from Bangalore.
Yes.
You are residing at Bangalore.
Yes.
Which place exactly?
Lovely road.
That's good. So you are suffering from cough for last 2 years.
Yes, I am.
So which time it aggravates?
Around 7 to 9 p.m.
Around 7 to 9 p.m. Please note, my friends, the aggravation time is 7 to 9 p.m. সন্ধ্যের দিকে সন্ধ্যে 7টা থেকে 9টার মধ্যে বাড়ে এবং chronic cough for last 2 years. You have developed some rheumatic pains in the joints. Can you tell me in which side the joints are mostly affected?
In my palms and upper shoulders.
In comparison with the left and right side?
No, both of them.
Both of sides, no particular sides. So along with the cough, he has also developed some rheumatic pains or pain in the joints. There is no specific modality of sides, but he has been suffering from rheumatic pains. He has also developed some acidity, sour eructations and etc. Is it correct?
Yes.
Our junior doctor has mentioned you have developed some acidity, eructations, so dyspepsia, acidity, hyperacidity of the gastrointestinal symptoms, for which he has also developed the sourness of the mouth time to time. So the main complaint is cough, allergic cough, for which he has come from Bangalore to Kolkata. And now, considering the other symptoms to prescribe for this gentleman, I have found there is tendency to catch a cold very easily. He is fond of sweets and warm food, and he is very much interested and feeling pleasure to come at Kolkata, that he will take some good quality of sweets from Kolkata. Kolkata is a place of sweets. You must take sweets from K.C. Das's shop. That is very nice sweets. So these are for sweets and warm food, my friends. The patient is chilly, aggravates from 7 to 9 p.m. That means within 4 to 8. You know the club mouse medicine has the peculiar and characteristic aggravation from 4 to 8 p.m. 4 to 8 p.m. means the aggravation may any time within this period. It may be 5 to 6, it may be 5 to 7, it may be 4 to 7, it may be 4 to 8. So there is the range of club mouse aggravations is 4 to 8, and this gentleman producing the aggravations of cough, showing the aggravations of cough, feeling the aggravations of cough within 7 to 9 p.m. That means with it covers the range within 4 to 8 p.m. So the cough aggravates in the evening within 4 to 8 p.m. He is fond of sweets, warm food, catches cold very easily, etc. And drinking warm water relief. It is relieved by drinking warm water, not cold water.
Not cold water.
So drinking warm water, this is my repertory which is going to be published. Ameliorations, only ameliorations. If we go through this my repertory, hot foods and hot drinks amelioration, this medicine is in the first grade. So relieved by hot foods and hot drinks, crab moss in the first grade, aggravates for within 4 to 8 p.m. These are for sweets, these are for warm food, and this medicine has also great action over the respiratory troubles, over the cough and hyperacidity. Everyone you know, acidity is very important of this medicine. So our choice of medicine is nothing but the club moss. So everything tastes sour, irritations, heartburn, water blast, etc. So these medicines also cough, chronic cough. So cough deep, hollow, even raising mucus in large quantities affords little relief. So all aggravations nearly from 4 to 8 p.m. covering the these are for sweets, these are for warm food. Cough relieved by warm drinks. The patient is moreover, the patient is chilly patient. So our selected medicine is club moss. So let's prescribe club moss in 50 millisieverts scale of potencies, and I do believe this single medicine will relieve this gentleman who has come from far distances from the western part of India. Mr. Amit, I do believe you will be cured by homeopathic medicines which I am giving you.
Thank you.
So thank you very much for cooperating with me.
No problem.
Thanks.